Here's my 4-ingredient chunky super soil mix that's perfect for tropical plants. Stuff is way better than what you can find in the bag, and you know exactly what's in it, so you know exactly what's in your food. 4 ingredients are sphagnum peat moss, pumice, not perlite, you need to use pumice, and I'll explain why. Worm cast and orchid bark. Worm cast, you can also use compost or manure. I prefer worm cast because it's a little higher quality. You can see the sphagnum comes in these giant chunks. You can just break that up a little bit. Plants don't mind a little bit of texture, so it's okay if there's some chunky stuff in here. It doesn't have to be all powdered. Ratio is 1 to 1 to 1 to 1. 1 part worm cast, 1 part orchid bark. And 1 part pumice. So pumice and orchid bark are gonna act as our aeration here. The worm cast has a lot of beneficial micronutrients and beneficial fungi. And the sphagnum is pretty much just your base here. It's kind of something to hold the water and give the plant a media to grow in. So this is about what it should look like when it's done. It should be nice and chunky. So this mix is gonna hold plenty of water for the plants while also allowing drainage because of all that chunky stuff in there. This mix is essentially a nert of nutrients, so one thing you're gonna wanna add is some fertilizer. I love this BioLife from Down to Earth. It is a local brand, so use whatever all-purpose fertilizer you can find that has, make sure it has beneficial microbes, and if it doesn't, you can add them separately. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. Another thing I like to add that's completely optional is soil spark. This is something I make myself. This is an optional step. This just helps support healthy plant metabolism. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff. Now you have the perfect soil for your tropical plants. Check out the link in my bio. You can join my private garden community. It only takes about 3 minutes to sign up. You can get my tropical chunky super soil recipe, and you can get a discount on Soil Spark just by joining.